I order seafood hor fun. Hor fun is a wide, flat, chewy rice noodle that's commonly used in Cantonese and Singaporean dishes. It's also known as sha hei fen, kwai tiao, and kway tiao. And my wife ordered laksa. Laksa is spicy, fragrant noodle soup found across Southeast Asia, particularly Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. It consists of noodles, either wheat noodles, rice vermicelli, or egg noodles, Hokkien noodles. Afternoon walk to Loyang Point for another food exploration.
Naglalakad-lakad kami ni Mrs. papuntang Loyang.
A typical neighborhood shopping, Heartland Mall in Singapore located at 259 Paris Riz Street, Loyang Point, shopping center is home to many family-owned shopping for all-day needs and many delicious foods to select in their food court area. And today, me and my wife have already decided what to eat and try once again. There's a lot of delicious food you can select, but my wife is eyeing for laksa and for me, hor fun. So my wife find what she's looking for, signature laksa for just 550 SGD. And I find mine too. They have beef hor fun, Sanlor hor fun, but I order seafood hor fun for a price of 6 Zaros SGD. Our order just arrived, hot and freshly cooked.
Seafood hor fun. Meron siyang fish, prawn, squid, and brown noodle. Wow! And the gravy. Ayos. Mainit ang gravy. At meron siyang green chili. Ay, laksa. Wow! Masarap yun. Maanghang yan. Laksa. So, yan. Tikman natin yung kanyang gravy. Oh, may vegetable pa pala siya. Vegetable. Ito yung kanyang gravy, oh. Malapot. Oh, ang sarap. Ang sarap niya. Happy naman. Ayan. Ating meron siyang prawn. Actually, ang prawn dito malutong. Sarap. Samahan natin ng chili. Andyan yung brown noodle. Sarap na. Isa sa mga paborito ko to sa Singapore. Sa misis ko, paborito niya yung laksa. Ayan, inuubo na. So marami siyang seafood, may isda siya. Fish. Kasama natin ang ito, meron siyang fish sauce, saka green chili. Oh, malambot. Masyadong malambot yung fish. Tapos yung kanyang noodle, brown noodle. Tagal din akong dinakain ko. Inisip ko mayroon pa siyang chili. Maanghang na yung kanyang pagkain, may chili pa.
Pakunti lang yung
yung noodles. Yung noodles niya parang spaghetti.
Kunti lang yung kanyang
sahog. gulay. Veggie. Inuubo na si Mrs.
Ang init na pagkain.
May egg pa pala yan. Egg. May egg siya. Ayun. Okay. Saka meron siyang ano. Iba yan yung beans. Ano yan? Sprout beans. I-enjoy si Mrs. Sobrang sarap. Ayan ang natira. Sauce na lang o gravy. Ang Mrs. ko rin, ganun din. Kumunti na natira. Nagustuhan niya. Favorite niya yung laksa. Dito sa Singapore, mahalaga pa ang 50 cents saka 10 cents. Lalo na yung 10 cents. Nagagamit pa yung 10 cents. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang kape. Ito ay coffee. Singapore coffee.
Lumabas yung segundo.
Init siya. Uwi na kami. Sakay na kami ng bus para kang nagtutur ni Mrs. Dito na kami sa likod mo. Pahinga muna bago umakyat dahil napagod kami sa paglakad. Tapos namin kumain sa Loyang.
Life is short. Live your life to the fullest in God's grace. Retired Couple Vlog, thank you for watching.